Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine, and these are just basically the current products that I'm currently using, and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how I complete my stay-at-home look. I feel like we should always put on our makeup and hair in the morning, and that just helps us kind of like set the tone for the rest of the day, to be productive, to go on and go forth. I always believe in that. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this. These are the current products I'm currently using, and I hope you guys have a great day.
So the first thing I do is prepare my skin. I'm going in with the Serum cocktail from My Skin Inc. Afterwards is the Caudalie Vinoperfect Moisturiser. This is for dark spots as well, and I've been getting that lately, so I'm working that in. And the last thing I love to do is actually put a face oil. This is the Lom Radiance Face Oil, and I really like even putting it down to my hands. It's kind of a luxurious home experience. After that, it's time for my foundation. I have been using the Cutepress Airy Matte Cushion Foundation, and I've been really liking it actually. My color is in sand beige and it really matches me quite well. I'm going in with the Cutepress powder and with my powder brush from Bloom Kit. I love going in with a spray, so this is from Studio Tropic all over. Now it's time for my eyebrows. I've been using this eyebrow pencil from Makeza. It's an online store. You can get it. I love it. And then going with concealer all over my eyelids to prepare my eyeshadow. Honestly, for eyeshadow, I don't really do that much because I'm actually just at home. Maybe I'll film a few videos or something, but I'll go in with a brown really quickly with my basic shader brush and then blend it out with my smooth blender. This is going to create like a gradient smoky effect that's just really easy to wear at home, I think, in my opinion. You could go lighter as well, but I kind of like going a bit darker recently. So this is a really nice kind of bronzy, everyday, natural eyeshadow look. Kind of natural, not really. Okay, we're gonna put some eyeliner. I've been liking this really thin as well. It makes my eyelids come out more. So what would be my everyday makeup look without some contour? So I'm going with my contour brush and the new Fenty cream contour products. This one is in Butta Biscuit and it works really well. It's very smooth, very buttery, and I like how it blends even on skin that's already been powdered. It looks really nice. It's very, very kind of blendable. Then I'm going in with the new Fenty cream blush. This is in Crush on Cupid. It's my favorite color of the entire range. And I'm going in with my blush brush. I like to just pat this on to create a beautiful rosy complexion. Creams are a little bit more hydrating than using powder, and I'm just wanting to take the time to really hydrate my skin now that I'm not outside and under air conditioning all the time. So then we're done with our face, and the last thing I go in with is my lipstick. This is from Sunniesface, and I've been really loving the Fluffmatte lipsticks. This one is in Girlcrush, and I just pat this on. It is the most amazing texture of lipstick ever, so I hope to do a review soon on these because they're so good. And we're done with our makeup. It's really easy, really simple, and something that I do every single day. I also do my hair because I feel like without doing my hair, I feel so sleepy. I don't know why. So I make sure I always do my hair, and the last thing I do is I just set with a spray. This is from Fenty as well. It's really quite good. There we have it. We're done.
I am doing pretty okay. I'm just at home, and it is really tough, isn't it? Like, I think all the small businesses are really suffering during this time. And I just wanted to say that even though it's really hard, and I feel it too, I'm definitely no exception from it. At the end of the day, I'm just like any other small business. And I think for us, hang in there. I really think that whenever we hit a hard, difficult period of our life, we can definitely pull out from it because we have God. And I think, honestly, I have full faith that everything will recover. I really do. No matter how bad the situation is, I really do have faith. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye!